Oh man, what's up and what is glorious, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls? What's going on, guys? It's your host with the most, Paul Cantu. Allergy season is in full effect, my brothers. Lord have mercy, this pollen, man, these trees smashing is just really interfering with my sinuses. Anyways, guys, today we have a brand new trip to the Thrift, and this is going to be a combination of a couple of random clips that I got, and I'm going to do an unboxing at the end of this, so stay tuned for that. But yes, man, before we get into it, I have a pop-up this Sunday, March 28th, Houston, Texas. It's called DatedFadedWorn. It's at the Bayou City Convention Center. All the info is in the description. The last time we did this was damn near 2019, bruh. So it's been going on 2 years since this has happened due to all the craziness with Corona and all that shit. So yeah, if you guys feel inclined to pull up, definitely be sure to do so. If you don't, then here's a trip to the Thrift. Enjoy. All right, guys, I guess Beast Week is starting in the little kid pajama section. Yes, I'm in the market. Got 3 on the way. Triplets are coming. That's a lie. But what's not a lie is the amount of fire that is in the cart. So I got a bunch of things. T-shirts, shorts, jerseys. It is half off day up in here, so I really had to make the most of it. First, it's just a little Cardinals jersey. Nothing crazy, something light. Then you got the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. I don't even know who this dude is. Is this the guy who Loki was trying to kill, like Tarzan's family? Clayton. That's a nice little piece right there. Then you got the Ohio State weed leaves.
Let me dig in that bag of the reefer.
The Buckeyes all embroidered jersey in a nice script. That's pretty cool. Then you got another, I see all this money through my Ohio State Buckeyes.
I see all this money through my Ohio State Buckeyes.
And then this jersey, I don't know how it was sitting. Majestic. District of Columbia, all gold embroidery. That is an absolute swagnificent gem by Majestic. And then you got yet another one, the Ohio State collegiate jersey right here, also by Majestic. I had no idea they were even in the football industry. Now we got some Nike gems as well. You have like the blue Hades hair looking flame New York Yankees dry fit. I just thought it was clean. And then you got the Golazo Go Mexico all embroidered Nike jersey. That is a honey chipotle chicken crisper. Now in terms of the t-shirts, I like this little Avengers tee just to wash. It'll be something cheap on Thrift Heaven if you guys want anything. Link in description of the store, Thrift Heaven Vintage. Everything is a steal, bro. Like, you'll get this shirt probably for $6, all right? And you got a little Tommy for your mommy polo, striped up. And then look, oh my God, peeping Tom in the 1950s. You got the breastises in the Starbucks color scheme, but this isn't just a perverted t-shirt. Nah, man, it's myhopechest.org for all the women who do need breast reconstruction. So just tickles the senses and the heart, and also plays into our perversion at the same time. Perfect. And then check this out, Attack on Titan tee. Let's get it. You got the Illinois Fighting Illini tee. Man, dude, the guy got the shadow just beaming over his eyes right there. This is just a crispy graphic. I love it. And then for my Paul Plant 2 channel, I just need shirts I can garden in, all embroidered, the Peruvian bright kiwi interior green color scheme. And now the shorts. Guys, the shorts are just shitting on the game. My favorite cut, all black Volcom shorts, easy. Then you got the denim barbecue. Must have for any father out there. Levi shorts, you got 505s. My guys, you got 550s with the relaxed fit, little flare out around the knees. That's what I need. You got these little $4 flamers, another 550 in the light wash, you hear me? And then we have yet another 550. So I think I'm gonna customize a bunch of these, see how they fit, and really add some versatility on them. Each pair is like between $2 and $5, so that's not too shabby. For daddy, then you got the little straight leg, $5.45 light wash Levi's once again. Now I grabbed a couple pair of athletic shorts, the Nauticas. These were just $1, so they'll probably be like $4 to $5 on my website. And then the vintage Adidas short shorts. Bruh, look at the subtle satin striping and piping. Everyone needs some Adidas in their life. And bro, that's store number 1 in a nutshell. Guys, come on. We getting it. Oh man, dude, I thought it was it. until the Houston Astros duffel came in my life. Look at the golden strap. Come on, man. $1.50. My guys, we out of there, dog. Let's run it up, bro. Let's run it up. And y'all see that little last find? Yeah, just slung over the shoulder, low-key on hip. I want to shout out the homie Ryan. He was in the store, showed love, and he bought stuff off the website, which is extremely amazing. So I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. I know the likelihood of me seeing y'all on the thrift is somewhat low, so anytime I do, it's amazing. And I just want to say, I appreciate you. So yeah, man, shout out to Sus Squad, baby, gang shit. But anyways, man, let's get on to the next spot. All right, guys, you know, man, I have to infuse the videos with the thrift content. I was just sliding through the thrift all nonchalant until I came across my mother freaking guy. You got Ernie right here posted up with the shades, guitar, sneakers, and this thing can, I guess, get plugged into the wall or something like that. I don't know what's coming out of that booty, but I don't even care. Battery operated 1998 rendition. This is just so hard. Of course, I gotta get it. You guys know, man, we are concluding Black History Month with a bang in the thrift. Look at this. Learn your history. You got the Tuskegee Airmen, the Red Tails, Bomber Escort. They have multiple movies about these guys. And look at all the attention to detail with the embroidered insignias right here. Straight, clean vintage graphics. Redtail.org. You guys go ahead and Google that. You know what I'm saying? And then there are a couple more hats that are really sick. You got the Mopar or No Car Dodge with the fire just licking the brim in the side of the snapback. You also have the Jeff Gordon hat right there. But back to Black History Month, you also have the rest in peace, man, Lorraine Motel, where Martin Luther King was assassinated in Tennessee. It was in Memphis. Yeah, look, says it right there. Memphis, Tennessee. National Civil Rights Museum. I have been here. Really crazy, really cool. Shout out MLK, you guys already know. And then look, I got the Polo Ralph Lauren blue stripe, the big green pony. Dude was drenched in some type of goo, potentially radioactive. He got flubbered, who knows, all right? And then in the same blue color scheme, Nike boys, we don't do 3 stripes. Look at that check embroidered into the stripe. It's like incognito. Perfect camouflage. And then I did find this really cool heather gray St. Louis Rams crew neck. Simple graphic, all embroidered, but the heather gray aspect is nice, as is this little attention to detail on the neck. And now the t-shirt department was smacking, dude. It was doing a 1-2 on me. Look at that moose, baby. Thing got them horns. But yeah, you got the moose right there, 99 cents. That's a big boy size. You have the Miller Lite t-shirt. Shout out my sponsor, got to do it one time for them. You also have the iguana just climbing on tit. That definitely cannot be comfortable. You have the Levi's 501s, 34 by 30. These dudes, when they are vintage, tend to fit like 2 sizes too small in the waist, so hopefully these will fit me. I'm usually like a 32 in case you guys want to send me pants. P.O. box in description. No, but for real, you got the Nautica Competition. Again, a nice little Cheeto Puff orange color scheme. You got the Audubon Aquarium of the Americas. That is a mouthful, an alliteration. New Orleans. Look at the little penguins. Billy Madison's arch nemesis, ×4, all mini. That's what's up. And then you also have the brand new with tags Mountain Pug tee. Come on, son. Boy can barely even breathe though. Man, new school was still cool. Last and not least, you have the Batman t-shirt as well. This thrift smacked. I just had to stop by, had a little meeting today and came over here, and I was pleasantly surprised and never disappointed. Man, look at that cart. Perfect. Oh yeah, and we back, baby. Yes sir, back from the thrift, and I figured I would start throwing in these unboxing clips at the end of trips to the thrift videos, just because I really want people who go out of their way to send me stuff to get a little bit of shine, because y'all don't really watch the unboxing videos as much. So if you guys aren't into this, then you can go ahead and just turn this video off. But if you're already here, you might as well sit back and eat a couple of bowls of popcorn and get ready for the show, because we got Trish just slicing into this parcel right now. Boom. All right, whoa. So I had to unbox this, dude, because this is number one, just a huge amount of items that I was sent. And we have a letter in here. Ahem. It says, Paul, me and my girl have been rocking with you for years. Snapback college dorm era. And you've really inspired us to get into the trenches. In this box are a few pieces we found in the thrift that made us think of you. We chopped it up with you at SneakerCon Atlanta and Miami, and we promised to send you life-size Miko. Hey, that's my raccoon, bruh. But it's huge and a logistical nightmare, straight up. That would cost like $1 billion to ship. So I hope what's in this box makes up for it. Much love, Brandon and Sabrina. At probably sitting on the toilet. That's a good handle. That's you watching this on the toilet, and at Spotty Dots. So yeah, if you guys want to send anything, I got a PO box in the description. By no means do you have to. Watching this is enough. But we got some things, man. You got the Jim Thomey. I don't know why I read his name like that, but it just sounds cooler that way. You got the starting lineup figurine. They went ahead and sent me the young Sylvester Prey Tweety, beautiful lemon yellow plush right here. Another plush to add to the collection. Oh, this is a banger. Daytona Bike Week circa 1999. Bruh, I was in kindergarten. Yes, I might have just aged myself and dated myself, but bruh, Bike Week, look at that evil looking eagle. Oh my God. And then we got a little something for Kinky Twist. You guys already know, it's all about the U. I appreciate this Miami Hurricane Chris piece. Oh yes, this really makes sense with my outdated reference, thinking I was still dropping a video in February. It says, say yes to Black History Education. Let's get it, bruh. And then you also have a blank little single stitch tee. You got this mug with the Caffeine Express. I don't drink coffee like that, but hey, I might make an exception in order to utilize that mug. Huh? Says the world is a vampire. Nice. Jesus, guys, y'all threw in so many things. More single stitch tees. That's perfect for some merchandise. You heard me? And then you have, oh, this end up, bro. You got, bruh. I hate a Goofy especially. My man is just tooting that ass. This is what I love, seeing Goofy throw it back. Bruh, that is a banger. Thank you guys so much for that piece. They also threw in a mini Taz. Huh? And then you guys know, duck head is the best head. Quacktastic yet again, bro. You got the duck on the front, and you got the tail feathers booty just swan diving, huh, into the water. And then last and not least, they got the Te Amo, Te Amo all embroidered sweatshirt and a little Snoopy tie. Hello. So yeah, man. Shout out to all of you guys for watching this video. Hopefully y'all did enjoy. It's a little bit shorter. I wanted to do a beast week last week, then all these circumstances just came up, got in the way. So I might be dropping more content this week. I know I've been somewhat lagging, but bruh, sometimes life just throws you a bunch of bullshit all at once. So any hoozleberries, man. I love you guys. I'll see you March 28th. If you guys want to pull up to DatedFadedWorn, the pop-up, all the info's in the video description. And if you guys want to see more content from me, I do have a second channel, Paul Plan 2. Everything you need is linked in the description. And if you don't need to open the description, I just want to say thanks for watching, man. Peace, live the dream, eat that ice cream. I'll catch y'all next time. I'm locked, I'm loaded, and I'm out. See you soon.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost to. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.